everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be an updated tutorial on how I achieve my wash and go. This is the final result, so if you like what you see, stay tuned. So as you can see, I have a plastic bag on my hair. If you're new to my channel, this is what I use to cover my hair while I take my shower. And my hair is freshly cleansed with my favorite products, the ones I use all the time. I'll link them in the description box. And I have Uncle Funky's Daughter Curling Magic in my hair right now. And now I'm going in with my I Create Hold. I have the largest bottle because I use this on a weekly basis, so I want to make sure I don't run out anytime soon. So I'm going to be thoroughly applying that and splitting my hair into workable sections. So as I am putting my hair in sections, I can feel what areas need a little bit of extra I Create Hold. So I add as I go to any parts that need it. And then I'm going to be adding bamboo ginseng on top of that. And that is my tertiary topper. I don't add a lot of this product, just enough to kind of coat all of the strands, but I'm not thoroughly applying it how I do my Uncle Funky's Daughter or even how I do my I Create Hold. So again, splitting my hair in workable sections. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. So making my hair feel smaller, it always helps. When you have dense hair, you have to part and do a whole lot of sections in order to make it not seem so overwhelming. So this is just how I style my hair. I'm running my fingers through my hair, smoothing and more so raking. I realize that I don't smooth as much as I thought I did, but you want to make sure you smooth from root to tip so that way your hair can lay flat. And I feel like if I did more smoothing, even starting from the shampoo process, I wouldn't have to rake as much because my hair just ends up tangling back up. But I feel like it's because I don't smooth as much as I think I do. So I'm just going to do that same process throughout my hair, get myself a workable section, and just kind of smooth and rake until my curls feel and look how I want them to look. And it's really important that I like how my hair looks wet, because if it doesn't look good wet, it's not going to look good dry. So with this video sped up, it looks like I'm working really fast, but I'm really not. I'm going to show you guys a slowed down clip of me actually styling my hair, and it's gonna look like I'm going in slow motion because I move really slow because I just don't want to, damage my hair. Alright, so here is that slowed down clip that I was talking about. As you can see, it just looks like I'm moving in slow motion, but it's not. That's my normal speed. I'm just very intentional and really trying to focus and not damage my hair. Just trying to really be calm and, let my fingers do what they do. And anytime I take too big of a section, I'll just go in and make that a smaller section and just, smooth and rake as needed. And now I'm at the top, almost done. Just smoothing and raking it until it looks the way I want it to look. And then I'm going to take that excess product that is kind of built up in between my fingers and use that to lay my edges. I'm not going to add additional product, just going to take what I already have and make sure those edges are laying flat. No edge control needed. And this is a 360 of my hair wet. Looks pretty decent if I do say so myself. And here is my baby. She told me that my hair looked pretty, and if she said it, that means it's true. Bye. Toodaloo. Take care. Bye.
No, say goodbye.
Yeah, I'm saying bye. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my video next time.